Fire on it! Fire on it! Behind you, Rob! Get back. Stand in front of him. There you go. Stand in front of him. Stand in front of him. Right.
Yeah.
It's all right.
Hey, Dougie.
Dougie, go.
Good job, Rob. Dougie, keep it going.
Stand him up.
Go get back.
Yeah.
There you go, Nick.
Stand him up, guys.
Played 2 seasons.
Oh, that was a good shot.
Guys, I gotta stand that guy up.
Believe him. No way. He's lying.
That was a really good shot there.
Everyone keeps saying, stand him up, and we're way back.
I think I was saying that the whole game.
Get back, Paulie. Stand him up. Stand in front of him.
Stay on, Paulie.
Oh, wow. That took a weird bounce off.
Yeah.
It's a whistle, just get up.
Just shot on net. All the way back down the other way.
Pressure.
Oh.
Nice, Ryan.
Fire him up, Dougie.
Go. Come on, Dougie. Go, Mike. Go to it, Nick. Go to it.
One on. Oh. Stand in front of him.
Pressure.
Ooh.
Watch the slot.
Oh.
Turn and go, Dougie.
One on.
Yeah, slow down.
Wait. There you go, Nick. Come on, Mike.
Oh, Dougie.
Oh.
Backhand it. Behind you. Stand in front of him.
Push him out. His body.
There you go, Rob.
It's good teamwork there.
Cross. There you go.
That's exactly what you got to do on him.
Up top.
Oh, that's good.
Nice try, Nick. Then again, if I was playing, you're probably going to be losing too.
Karma, huh? That's how things work out.
Let's go, guys.
Oh, look at it. No one's at this point. That's a good pass. Oh, nice pass. Wow.
Nobody on you, Nick. You got Rob cross. Fire it in there.
That's your spot right there.
Yeah, it is.
That was through his goal.
It's obvious that Mark knows that too.
Yeah.
Watched
Get back,
enough
Rob.
of it.
No point. Get back, Rob.
Get back. Bring him back. Push him out.
There you go, Rob.
Wow. Nothing there.
Whiffing on the pass.
I don't miss it out every time.
No.
Stand him up.
Those are good.
All right.
This is sacrifice ball.
Big 48.
Ooh.
There you go.
Good, clear.
Open up, guys.
Hey, Nick, move over this side. There you go.
I got him. Split up.
There you go. Feet. There you go. Cross.
Oh my God, that would have been beautiful.
Cross.
gonna start doing that, hoping he may.
Time up, Rob. Not the first one.
Stand in front of him. Stand in front of him.
That's a good pass.
There you go. Look up. Look up.
The other way. Yeah, there you go.
There you go. Go, Polly. Go, Polly.
Oh.
It's all right. Set up, guys. Set up. It's all right. Set up. Set up. Set up. Watch your back, Rob. Polly, watch your back.
Watch the middle.
Nice pass again, geez.
You guys got it.
3 minutes. Come on, Doug. Move.
There you go, Dougie. There you go, Dougie. 2 on 1. 2 on 1.
Oh, you can score that. I've seen him do this a lot. Yeah, he's got a good.
Stand in front of him.
Big, not man beard.
Again. Look up. Look up. Look up.
Okay. Look up,
Oh, get it, Nick. Get it, Nick.
Show him out of the
Back
way.
there. It's back there. Get back. Get back. Get back.
Come on, 3 on 1. Behind.
Stand him up. There you go.
That guy went too.
Oh.
Hey, defense.
Wow.
Pick a man. One on you, Nick. One on you, Nick.
How many points did Adam have?
This season?
Yeah. He had a lot, right? He has a lot of assists. Oh.
Behind.
Watch the slide.
Watch your back, Polly. Up.
Just clear it.
Coming.
Yeah. Oh, come on, Nick.
Oh,
Turn and go.
nice pass.
Stand him up. Stand him up. There you go.
Go, Rob.
Nobody, Polly. Backhand.
Good
There
pass.
you go. Get that in. Not much, but something. Yeah, you gotta get
take
the
it, guys.
up over there. Yeah.
Let's take one of those.
Ooh.
Pick him up. There you go.
Oh.
One on.
Get on back, guys. Towards.
Oh.
That's you, Rob.
Backhand.
Oh.
Go get it. Open up, guys. Open up. Open up, guys. We don't need 2 left wingers. There you go, Dougie. Keep with it. Keep with it. Open up, guys. One on you. One on you. Other cross.
Look at Dougie.
Look up. Look up. There you go. Get in. There you go.
Be on this side of it.
Pick him up. Just pick him up.
Oh.
Look up. Nobody.
Take your time.
Wow.
$1.30, guys. Just clear it.
Time up. Good job, Nick.
Stand him up. Stand him up.
Woo. And
We don't really get.
it out.
Here you go. Up. Clear it, Polly. Clear it.
Oh. Oh.
job, Nick.
Good job. 1 minute.
Stay back. Stay right here on the blue line. On the blue line. Right here on the blue line.
Bobby, get the far guy. Come on.
Stand in front of him. Stand in front of him. Make him pass. Still there. Still there. There you go. Oh.
No.
Set up, guys. Set up. Set up. Set up. Hey, watch that guy's wheels in the crease, huh? What? Stand him up. Stand him up. Out of the crease. Clear him out of the crease.
Oh man, that was like goalie interference down there.
Get him out of there, guys!
All the way around, Rob. All the way around. One on. One on.
Oh, good
That was
hustle.
a body check attempt. Body, Rob.
Look at that. Oh my gosh. Wow. "6-5". What a game.
Good job, Tyler.
He didn't play on that last Sunday either.
Green, go down there. White, down here.
Green sucks!
Dumbass. All right, let's gather in a little bit here. Look more like a team. All right, here's number 1. Okay, let's not fuck your goalie, please. Thank you. Number 2. Do one more just for the hell of it. Smile, see cheese. Come on, Adam, this way, Adam. There we go. There we go. Okay, good enough. You good? Paul gets front and center.
Thank you!
I will email you a copy of the photo tonight.
I want to
5 copies.
I want to tell my friends, hey look, I'm not lying.
Just get one of Paul by himself.
Yeah, okay, so goalie in front, Paul next to the goalie, and everyone around Paul. Is that all your guys? You missing anyone? 2, 4, 6?
We're missing
Well, we're
Danny.
missing Danny, but
Okay,
and Tony.
Danny and Tony. Oh, that's what
Tony was
Danny.
the last one, so.
Yeah.
You two can get down in front. Get down there,
Okay,
man.
there we go. Here's number 1. Okay, let's do one more. Okay, stop picking your nose. There we go. Just do one more. Just do one more.
What broke ankle post?
Very good, boys. Okay, nice job, boys. Congratulations.
Thank you.